Nature is a miracle, shining bright and free. Mountains touch the open sky, rivers kiss the sea. Flowers dance in morning light, birds sing in the air. Every little living thing shows the world is fair. Forests tell 1,000 tales older than the sun. Ancient trees remember how the world had begun. Wind is softly whispering secrets of the land. Nature writes her history, no one fully planned. Golden sun and silver moon guide the night and day. Storms may roar with mighty power, then slowly fade away. From the dust a seed will grow, reaching for